My dad bought this trailer when I was young, and it was already tired. Gave it a new deck. It's seen a couple more decks since. We've probably had it 25-ish years. And I always watch this man with come-alongs and pulleys and ropes and just good old-fashioned manpower, putting everything from 2-ton trucks to piles of go-karts. To mountains of scrap. And now it's janky for now, but not enough incline. And when I got it, you had to use a bumper jack that skipped every other tooth to jack it up and sit it down. I'm gonna make this a fun car again. In reality, I'm probably just gonna haul my kids around in it and giggle maniacally. Into the void it goes.